Time magazine is world's most reliable publication these days. They have also recognized that artificial intelligence is the future. They have come up with this Time 100 AI most influential people in the world as we speak today. This group of 100 individuals is composed of many people from different walks of life, but all of them connected to artificial intelligence in some way or another. These people are competitors, regulators, educators, scientists, advocates, executives, business persons, or researchers. They have been instrumental in bringing this AI to this Gen AI as we see it today. This list include people like Sam Altman, who is the CEO of OpenAI, and it also includes people like very famous Andrew Ng, and then Dario Amodei, who also worked with Andrew when they were in the deep speech. And then we have Alison Darcy from Stanford, Jeff Hinton, who is very famous from Google Brain, and Leela Ibrahim, who was also Chief Operating Officer at Coursera. And then a name like Neil Khosla, who was also at Stanford, then Richard Socher, who was at Chris Manning, and then name like Ilya Sutskever, who was also at Stanford. So as you can see, the names are quite familiar and they are gaining popularity as more and more products are coming forth. Now, I will drop the link to this article in video's description and you can more about it. And it they have divided it into leaders, innovators, shapers, thinkers, and then you can also click here on the right to see the full list. And they have also described some of the people the names which I have mentioned, and I would highly suggest you go and read it because these names are some of the really common ones. And here is one of my favorite, NUNG, who is doing great work in terms of deep learning education. And there you go, Jensen Huang, who is the CEO of the most famous NVIDIA. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you have any comments, please feel free to drop in the video's description. And if you are one of these 100 a influencer, congratulations to you. Thank you.